Thursday Noyes notes 24-hour forecast for the 1 degree outside weather network. Meteorologist Danielle Noyes here. Cold front will slide through today. That triggers expanding showers and downpours, particularly for the southern half of New England. Moderate rip current risk remains at our beaches today, and areas of showers and rain will be around this weekend. It's a bit of an unsettled weekend, not a washout both days, and it will depend on your location. Southeastern New England looks like a greater risk on Saturday. Western Northern New England, a greater risk for showers on Sunday. So we'll fine-tune the details of that in the coming 24 to 48 hours. Out there this morning, just like the past couple of mornings, it's a muggy start. We have low clouds, some patchy fog that will gradually give way to breaks of sunshine, although I do think a lot of clouds end up winning out a good chunk of the day today. We do warm quickly through the 70s and into the 80s in a lot of the southern half of New England. Some showers coming into first, the Berkshires, southern Vermont, and western Connecticut, expanding east during the afternoon, generally light, although there is a lot of humidity in there in southern New England. So that may be able to squeeze out a downpour or an isolated thunderstorm. If we get those breaks of sun, that will help to increase the instability and also increase the risk of a rumble of thunder or two during the afternoon to early evening. Notice again, they're scattered in nature, so it's not raining the whole time. There will be some pockets of rain that come into Connecticut, the south coast, southeastern Massachusetts, but not really until about 7 to 9 p.m., expanding through the overnight in southeastern New England, the Cape, the south coast of Rhode Island. The rest of it is actually partial clearing through the overnight tonight. That's as a little wave of low pressure goes right near or just south and east of Cape Cod. So bottom line, have our app with you today, right in the palm of your hand, right? Best part, our app is free. If you haven't downloaded it yet, search Noyes 1 degree outside weather. It's available on both iPhone and Android. You've got the interactive radar in past plus future mode, so you can see where the rain is and showers are, where they're going, and the hourly forecast, of course, is super helpful too, set for your specific location. How much rain falls today? Honestly, it's not a whole lot. Little, if anything, a few hundredths in spots. The greatest risk of picking up maybe a tenth to a quarter of an inch, maybe some locally higher amounts would be across southeastern areas of New England. But in general, again, most spots will end up around a quarter to a half an inch in some of the deeper areas that you saw there in yellow. Overnight tonight, 40s in the far north country, many of us in the 50s and mid 60s for Boston back down to the Cape. But the dew point, which is up there today, will actually drop. So it lowers from north to south behind the front. So you will notice a change in air mass, a much more comfortable start to the day in many spots by tomorrow morning. The one exception may be over Cape Cod, where that humidity will come down a bit, but will still be running in the 60s in terms of dew points. So still a little bit sticky out the door tomorrow morning. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this 1 degree outside video.
Get exclusive content, support the mission at membership.1degreeoutside.com. And don't forget, free and 5 stars on the App Store and Google Play. Search the number 1 degree outside weather.